Generations were passed away from one particular family. Small kids, father and mother, grandparents. Really, it's very pain to see. The guy has reminded. Gatam can't back. We can't expect the future also. We have to lead our life present only. But really, after getting darshan of Allah in Makkah, Saudi Arabia, really Allah has cursed them severely. Somewhat feeling disappointment to announce almost all 43 members were burnt out span of less minutes. It's really very drastic situation was taken place in Saudi Arabia. So that particular victims belongs to our Telangana state. Your life is a passing minute. Absolutely. Still people are not getting change. Still they are traveling with egos, jealous, look like that one. Because we are not permanent. Still people are traveling on the same path. What we can see in Telugu, ఎవరైనా మన దగ్గర ఆప్తులు చనిపోతే శ్మశానం మట్టుకే మన వైరాగ్యం ఉంటుందండి. Once we cross that particular premises, again we are busy with our own disturbances. Am I correct or not? Such kind of a situation is there. Yeah, I request my teaching family and the parents of Johnson Global High School, as well as the remaining citizens of this wonderful country, please try to lead our life in genuine manner, in humble way. Modesty is required, because even we may also get such kind of a time in coming days. So my lovable boys and girls, you are future generation of this society, should maintain outstanding decorum in your journey by watching all these incidents. At least we have to alter our body language, character, nature. Pedavi dhatani mataki raju anta. Dhatina mataki bhanisavi. Pedavi dhatani mataki rajuvi. Dhatani mataki bhanisavi. Whether we are able to maintain our tongue properly, definitely life will be colorful and fruitful in a smooth way. On behalf of you, on behalf of SVJC organization, I worship Almighty. Allah has to give